I'm about to show you the simplest affiliate marketing strategy you have ever seen on YouTube. It's almost guaranteed if you follow the steps in this video, you will be able to make anywhere from $100 to $500 a day in affiliate commissions. This is going to be a powerful video that I believe will make some people out there their first affiliate commission online. So make sure to watch this video to the end so you can get started right after watching this video. The strategy I'm about to show you in this video is creating an Instagram account that looks similar to the one on your screen. So what we are going to be doing here is modeling their success and not copying what they are doing. So what I mean by this is we are going to take a look at what this Instagram account is doing correctly, and we are going to implement it in our own unique way to our Instagram account. And if you do everything I'm about to show you in this tutorial, you will be able to get similar results and numbers they are getting in terms of views, followers, and post engagement. Now I know many people would think it's impossible to get 300 to 500 followers or even 1 million views on Instagram, but trust me when I say it's 100% possible. And even if you don't get the exact number they are getting in the first year, you will definitely get at least 50 to 100k followers on Instagram using this strategy. And the reason why I'm 100% confident about this is because if you take a look at this Instagram account, you can see right here, this content does not belong to this Instagram account. They are repurposing other people's content and uploading it on their account, as you can see right here. Okay, which means they are not recording any video or showing their face, and yet they are still getting a lot of followers and getting a lot of engagement on their post. So I'll be showing you how to do this exact strategy without doing much work yourself. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to promote product on Instagram without getting shadow banned or blocked or getting your page taken down, because I know a lot of people are struggling to make money on Instagram. So all I ask is drop a like on this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So the first step is creating a niche-based Instagram account, and I'm going to give you the exact niches to go into when working on Instagram. So the niches include the make money online niche, the motivational niche, the relationship niche, and the health and fitness niche. So any of these niches are perfect for this strategy. So all you then need to do is to come over to Instagram.com, or you want to download the Instagram app on your mobile device, and all you simply need to do is to create an account. So once you create your Instagram account, you want to make sure to add a profile picture and add at least 9 posts on your profile to make it look active and legit to our target audience. So you want to come over to TikTok to get content which you'll be posting on your Instagram account. This is the exact strategy this account is using to get content which they get to post on their Instagram account. So once you come over to TikTok, all you need to do is to search keyword in your niche, and I'm going to take the motivational niche as an example. All you need to do is to scroll down and look for emerging videos. You don't want to go for videos that has over 1 million views on it, because that video is already viral and a lot of people would have reposted that video so many times, and we can't use that video anymore. So you want to go for videos under 1 million likes, like this one right here with 172,000 views. If you scroll down, this is also another one here with 400,000 views. If you scroll down here, you can see this another one here with 74,000 views. You want to go for this type of videos as they are emerging videos and they are very easy to go viral on Instagram. So all you need to do from here is to click on any of these videos. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. You want to make sure to get a handful of videos that have less than 1 million views, as these are the videos that are going to go viral easily on Instagram. And you want to go over to this platform, sstick.io. So this platform here allows us to remove the watermark from the TikTok videos, and this is super important because if you upload the video with the watermark on Instagram, your video is not going to get a lot of reach, because Instagram is going to limit the amount of reach that video is going to get because of the TikTok logo on it. So I highly recommend to use this platform to remove that TikTok logo. Okay, all you need to do is to paste in the video link right here, and you want to click on download, And of course, this platform is absolutely free to use as well. So once you do that, all you need to do is to then download the HD version of this video. So once you download the videos, all you simply need to do is to come over to your newly created Instagram account, and you want to start uploading those videos to your Instagram account. And if you are really serious about making money, then you want to make sure to upload at least one video a day on your Instagram account. So once you've posted some videos on your Instagram account, the next step is to start monetizing your Instagram account. And there are several ways to monetize your Instagram account. You can do it by affiliate marketing, or you can create your own digital product, or you can offer paid promotion. Just like this Instagram account is doing right here, they are promoting this platform, Fashion Nova. Of course, in this video, we will focus only on affiliate marketing. And there are several affiliate marketing platforms you can use to find affiliate products in your niche to promote and start getting affiliate commissions. And one of the biggest ones is ClickBank. You can use Digistore24. You can also use JVZoo, or you can come over to warriorplus.com to start promoting affiliate products. All you need to do is to sign up to any of these platforms that is available in your country. So in this video, I'm going to be taking Digistore24.com to show you how to do this, but this is similar across other affiliate platforms as well. So all you need to do is to come over to the digital product section, and this is where you want to pick a product from your niche. All right, since I'm taking motivation in this video, all I need to do is to scroll down to where it says personal development. So if I click on this, as you can see, there are various products I can start promoting right here, and this is the amount you are going to get paid for every single person who purchased this product using your affiliate link. All right, so if I scroll down here, you can see there are many products here that I can promote from this niche and start getting sweet affiliate commissions. All right, so all you simply need to do to grab your affiliate link is by clicking on the promote now button. So once you do that, as you can see, this is my affiliate link right here. All I simply need to do is to paste in the link in my bio like this. And once people start finding my videos on Instagram, a lot of these viewers would click on my profile, and this is where they are going to find my affiliate link. And once they click on it, they go over to the sales page of that product, and if they make a purchase, I will be making money in passive income. And finally, I'm going to give you a bonus trick that you can use to scale your affiliate marketing earnings as fast as possible. And that is by coming over to Linktree. And if you come over to this platform, it allows you to add one link on one page. And this means you can come over to pick as many affiliate products and you can add them on one page, which means whenever people click on the link on your bio, they will be brought to a page where they can have access. They will be brought to a page where they are going to see various affiliate products, and if they purchase any of them, you will be making affiliate commissions. Make sure to stay consistent and upload at least one video a day. The name of the game is consistency. It might be slow in the beginning, you might not be getting as many views as you want, but I promise if you don't give up, you will surely see success eventually. Especially when you get your first commission, this is going to motivate you to keep on going, and the best part is you can do this from your mobile device.